Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in. As you exhale, allow any tension in your body to release. Notice the sounds around you. Without focusing on any one sound, just allow these noises to enter your awareness and then pass away. Feel the weight of your body on the chair or the cushion. Notice the points of contact between your body and the surface beneath you. Acknowledge your presence in this space. You are here now, in this moment, fully occupying this time for meditation. Now let's shift our focus to our bodies. Notice any sensations you feel. Is there any tension or perhaps comfort in certain areas? Take another deep breath, and as you exhale, try to relax any areas of tightness or discomfort. Scan your body from the top of your head down to your toes. Feel each part relaxing as you move your awareness down. Observe the natural rhythm of your breath. Don't alter it. Just notice how your chest and abdomen rises and falls with each breath. Narrow your focus now to the sensations of breathing. Feel the air as it enters through your nostrils, travels down through your lungs, and then back out. Notice the subtle sensations of your breath at the tip of your nose. Is the air cool as you inhale? Is it warmer as you exhale? Just explore the change in temperature. See if you can trace the breath from the beginning of an inhale to the end of an exhale. Focus on this continuous movement. Each time you find your mind wandering, gently return your focus to these breath sensations. It's a normal part of the practice. Let's now focus even more closely to the breath. Choose the spot just inside your nostrils or on your upper lip and feel the air moving in and out. Concentrate on the exact spot where you feel the breath most distinctly. Observe the nuances of each breath. Try to maintain this focus with each inhale and exhale. Allow all the thoughts or sensations to fade into the background. If your mind wanders, acknowledge where it went, then gently but firmly bring your attention back to the breath. Each time you find your mind wandering, gently return your focus to these breath sensations. Doesn't matter how many times you are distracted. Just gently but firmly bring your attention back to the breath over and over again. Let thoughts and sensations to fade into the background. As we begin to conclude this session, slowly widen your focus again. Become aware of your entire body and then the room around you. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing movement back into your body. When you're ready, open your eyes. But take a moment to notice how you feel at the end of this practice. Thank yourself for taking this time for your well-being.